is Mitu Mahato, and at this moment I'm talking to you from my village. It is in the district of Purulia of West Bengal. If I talk about my qualification, I'm an arts graduate. After completion of my graduation, I used to work in the banking sector in the sales department for more than 14 years. And right now, I'm running my own tuition center at my village. So I teach from first standard to 10th standard students at my home. I teach only English. That's all about myself. I'd love to know about yourself, ma'am. Please say something.
Okay, I definitely I introduce myself, but you are doing great work that you teach in your home because it is good for you, like your English journey. So
Yes,
first of all,
yes,
I
yes.
introduce myself, then I can discuss any other topic. So my name is Preeti. I am from UP. In UP, I basically belong to Gorakhpur. I think you know about Gorakhpur.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, and if I am talking about my qualification, I have done post graduation biology and chemistry. I have done B.Ed and also I cracked CTET and UP that it is a teaching eligibility test. And now I
Mm-hmm.
am preparing for government teacher examination. I am also home tutor, but I teach science subject 9 to 10th, biology and
Mm-hmm.
chemistry. And if I am talking about my hobby, I find found I love painting, dancing, and writing. I write Hindi poem. And
Wow,
nowadays
wonderful.
I am learning this language. I am totally beginner, so I am little bit juggling, but I am enjoying
Mm-hmm.
interact people, and it is all about me.
Wow, wonderful introduction. So, how long ago have you started talking with different person on this platform? If I especially talk
Okay,
about Skype.
okay, okay. I interrupt you. It's have been 3 months, but I am as well as I am mother 9 month old kid. But that's why I am not regular. I am not
Mm-hmm.
consistent because my kid is 9 month old and he is depend on me totally. So my life is a totally certain.
Wow.
So
So it's a great motivation for new a lot of viewers because you have a lot of work, you have a lot of responsibility. Despite of that, you are managing and interacting with different persons to have good command about this language. And I love to know what is the purpose to enhance your communication skill. What is your purpose? Would you like to share something?
okay, definitely. I describe what is my purpose learning this language. So, first of all, everyone know about it is a global language. So it is a
Mm-hmm.
common thing. But here I am describe my personal reason why I am learning this language. What is my main motto? So behind learning this language, my motto is recently I am become mother. I am totally new mom. So I want to introduce my kid as a first language. Yeah, of course, I introduce my kid my mother language, but he can learn my mother language like neighbor and grandparents and everyone. But no one in speak in my village English. So that's why I learn this language. I want to introduce this language first initial stage. And second reason, my dream, I want to become a teacher. When I teach someone, that time I feel good. It is not about money, it is about my passion. So I love teaching. I feel that I do
Mm-hmm.
something good in life when I teach someone. So I want to become a teacher. That's why I'm preparing for government job in my village. If you don't have government job, especially girls, so yeah, you don't go outside without reason.
Okay.
If I want to teach
So
someone. So it is necessary that I want to become government teacher. So I am doing hard work becoming government teacher, and apart I am learning this language, because when I will become teacher, that time I teach many things my student. So all over all things, like main motto is I am become teacher, so that's why I am learning this language. Second is I want to teach my kid this language.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. So mother is the first teacher of all the kids, no?
Mm.
So the way you will handle, the way you will teach your kids, that way he will grow up. So your expectation or your dream is really commendable. So yes, if all the mothers do such kind of things, so very rapidly across the country, all the people will start talking in English, because it is actually at this moment very necessary. Each and everybody should know, especially in our country, in all the sector, government sector or private sector, people are using this language. And if anybody like to go outside of our country, that time also it help us. And in India also there are different states, and we won't be able to understand their local language. So that point
Yeah,
of time,
you,
this language actually help us.
yeah, you are like mentioned very good topic that in India lots of state and every state have our own mother tongue. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want to connect, so it is necessary you learn any common language.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes,
so how
yes.
you are learning this language? Because I feel that you are comfortable this language.
Not really. Still, I am trying to develop my English, because I'm not saying that all the time, but still some of the time I also stuck. I could not find the exact diction. No, so it happens because this is not our mother tongue. So my journey actually started long back while I was working in the banking sector, but continuously I'm talking last 2 years on different
Mm.
platform. At this moment, lots of platform where people can go and connect with different persons. They can share, they can learn from different co-learners. So there are lots of facilities available at this moment. If anybody like to learn this language with less effort, they can learn this language. But not only by talking, they have to work a little bit more, because they have to know basic grammar. I think it's my personal opinion. Then chances of mistake is very less. If you anyone have a little bit grammar knowledge, that will help them to interact with everybody across the world.
Mm. Mm. Okay, that's great. So your journey like 2 years. Okay, that's great. That's why you can speak very smoothly. So that's great. So you are reading any book?
Yes, I
You
actually
love reading or
read
not?
my yes, I read. I read my students' textbook. Some of the time, grammar books, and I watch like English story. Then some of the times I watch English podcast, motivational speeches. So I actually spent so much time. My English journey start every day morning to night. When I wake up, so that point of time my English start. No, and when I'm going to bed, before that I also connect with so many persons. So a lot of things I'm doing, because it's my passion and I love this language. Even with the help of this language I'm learning, so all these reasons why I like to develop my English as much as possible. Everyday basis I try my level best.
But it is my bad luck that I don't have lots of time. Sometime I set some schedule, but maybe some problem I am not able to handle.
Mm-hmm.
So I imagine myself more this language. I want to imagine more this language, but I I can't able to imagine myself more because as a mother I don't have lots of time.
Mm-hmm.
And sometime I like I want to take session, but that time my kid, I don't know why, try to cry more to more. I try to but I can't handle that time. So it is a happen. Sometimes I face hurdle in my way, but yeah, I try to find out new way. So let's see what
Mm-hmm.
happen. But I want to become very soon fluent speaker, but due to lack of time and due to many things in happen, like some health issue. That time I faced some health issue. So like I have stone in my kidney.
Mm-hmm.
So sometime I feel lot pain. So many things
Mm-hmm.
happens in my life, but I love interact people and I love learning this language. So
Mm-hmm.
sometime happen that I take sessions, sometime it is not happen. So sometimes I
Mm-hmm.
feel guilty because like I talk to you in during conversation my kid start to crying. So that time I cut the call. So I feel bad for my co-learners because everyone have like precious time. So I don't want to
Mm-hmm.
waste anyone time. But what can I do? It is my
Mm-hmm.
responsibility. So that's why I quit my call.
Mm-hmm.
So
Wow, wonderful job. But
it is.
your way of learning is wonderful. It's very fantastic. No, you have lots of problem, but you don't care about all these things, and it's a great example for each and every person's. If anyone have desire, so he or she can achieve that goal.
Yeah.
Problem is doesn't matter.
I believe this line because if you have desire, then you can achieve. You see my eyes. That time I feel lot pain that time because I don't know why I share my problem. I am not share about my like health issue anyone. So I don't
Mm-hmm.
know. Forget all things. So tell me, because I don't have like time, so I try to think about in English every time because it is
Yes, yes.
not possible sometime that I take session. Sometime
Mm-hmm.
sometime I quit my journey like 10 days and 5 days. So but I try to listen. I watch
Mm-hmm.
Korean English drama. I love Korean
Mm-hmm.
drama and in
Mm-hmm.
English. And whenever I am think, I try to think in English. Like if I do something, my household chores, sometime I try to speak in English my kid because he is 9 month old kid. So he try to like interact with me, my kid. So I try to speak
Mm-hmm.
like don't go, don't sit down, and otherwise you fell down. So he laughing. So it is happen. Now I am
Wow,
figure out
wonderful.
all things.
Yes, yes. You are on the right track. I think very soon we will be a proficient speaker. The way you are struggling and your hard work is saying everything that you will achieve your goal very soon.
Yeah, I think that one day my hard work pay off me. So tell me something about yourself. Look tell me. Tell me something about yourself.
Regarding what would you like to know?
Tell me something like what is like a situation in a village. Anyone is speak in English or not?
Very less person. I don't actually go outside of my house morning to night. I'm a single person, so I have a lot of work. Even in the morning I teach one batch, and in the evening sometimes I speak with my students. So students are talking to me in English. I start from basic English, and I'm not getting outside because I don't have much time to spend with any friends and all. And most of friends are well settled, so I'm struggling. So I try to do something good. So I think a lot. What should I do? And what strategy should I follow so that I can have good command about this language? What books I will read? So many things come in my mind. So this is how I'm spending my time. And it's true thing that in village area in India, very less people speak in English. Even but nowadays it's a good news. Lots of people come over from different part of this country, and they are talking in English. Like you are from village, I am also from village. Even so many persons come on this platform, and they are talking fluently, and they are not going to English medium school. Despite of that, their English is quite good. So it's a good thing. It's a good changing happening in our country. And by watching a lot of students, a lot of people will learn. So that is my purpose also. I make videos. This is one of my purpose, so that maybe one person will motivate by watching my videos. So that is my target.
Okay, that's great. It is a great thing that I think it is happen only for like internet and smartphone. So someone one time I talked some YouTuber, so he asked me that what you think that internet bad and good according. So my answer is that it is a depend person on person, because
Yes, you are right.
many like village person learn many good things. I saw like many girls and boys cleared even very hard exam like NEET exam only for
Mm-hmm.
learning on YouTube. And
Mm-hmm.
many nowadays many famous YouTuber learn English only for on YouTube and internet and some apps. So it is a depend on person to person. So think it is a like very boon like God gift. It is according to me as a villager, because I, if I don't have mobile phone, then I can't go outside and I can't learn anything as a being a mother. So I feel that
Yes, yes.
I bless for God.
Mm-hmm.
God gave me this opportunity that I am born in this genre. So that's why. So why I am not take advantage this genre. So that's why I want to
Mm-hmm.
do something in my life. So I want to take advantage this phone and
Yes,
internet.
yes. Definitely. You are absolutely correct. I agree with you. It depends on person to person. Some of the person wasting their time by scrolling, watching different thing, but some of the persons are very much serious. They are focusing on their target. They are learning a lot of things by from YouTube, Google, so many applications now available. So yes, definitely. Actually, a lot of people are being benefited with the help of this mobile, and lots of people are wasting and their time, valuable time also. That is also very true. But it depends on the person, on person.